Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off autocorrect on keyboard on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so as we know together that autocorrect on the keyboard really help us that when we type we don't make typos. But often what we want to write with autocorrect is not appropriate. So it's hassle to write it over and over again. So now I will turn off the autocorrect on my keyboard. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing first is now you can show your own keyboard. And then now you can click over here. And then now you can scroll down and go to settings menu. After that, now you can go to input menu, and then now you can turn off the autocorrect feature. And then so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.